Welcome to this video. Today we are going to running shoe reviewing the finest running shoes. Please check the video description to get a special deal for you. Are you in search of the perfect running shoes? Join us as we delve into the top models shoes, catering to every runner's needs and preferences. From speed demons to comfort enthusiasts, these shoes have been rigorously tested and reviewed for your consideration. Number 1. Nike Zoom X Vaporfly Next% 2. The Nike Zoom X stands as the pinnacle of race-ready running shoes. Its impressive energy return and feather-like design make it an unparalleled choice for speed enthusiasts. The shoe boasts a minimalist mesh upper for breathability and a full-length carbon footplate for an unparalleled springy ride. Pros: super lightweight design, exceptional energy return, breathable minimalist mesh upper. Cons: durability concerns with the foam. Number 2. Adidas Adistar. The Adidas Adistar offers resilience and sustainability, perfect for slower, endurance runs. Its dual-density foam and well-designed rocket propel runners during long training sessions. We feature an integrated cage system for secure fit and recycled materials for sustainability. Pros: resilient dual-density foam, sustainable materials, integrated cage system for a secure fit. Cons: might feel bulky for some runners. Not the lightest option available. Number 3. Hoka 11 Bondi X. The Hoka 11 Bondi X combines the brand's signature chunky style with a snappy carbon plate for long-distance runs. Its wide, soft build provides a forgiving and responsive ride, especially beneficial for extended training sessions beyond the 10-mile mark. Pros: responsive ride, snug yet accommodating fit, incorporates a snappy carbon plate. Cons: the chunky design might not appeal to all runners. Hefty appearance may deter some users. Number 4. Saucony Endorphin Speed. The Saucony Endorphin Speed is a rejuvenating option for runners seeking a renewed passion for their sport. Designed for fast sessions, it doesn't compromise on cushioning. Its nylon plate aids in energy transfer, providing a springy and fun feel without excessive bounce. Pros: fast and responsive, well cushioned for comfort, lightweight design for speed. Cons: not suitable for slow training sessions. Number 5. Saucony Ride 15. The Saucony Ride 15 may not be the flashiest shoe, but it's an incredibly reliable choice for everyday training. With a firm yet comfortable step and a grippy rubber outsole, these shoes offer good energy return and stability for neutral runners. Pros: grippy rubber outsole, comfortable yet firm step, excellent for regular training. Cons: not intended for racing or speed sessions. Number 6. Asics Metaspeed Sky Plus. A compelling contender against Nike and Adidas, the Asics Metaspeed Sky Plus excels in both short and long-distance races. Its full-length carbon plate and lightweight, responsive foam provide a springy, controlled propulsion, ideal for runners seeking speed. Pros: speedy and cushioned design, grippy rubber outsole, lightweight for swift runs. Cons: concerns over durability, relatively higher price point. Number 7. Asics Gel Nimbus 25. Catering to runners prioritizing comfort over speed, the Asics Gel Nimbus 25 delivers plush cushioning and stability for long distances. With a highly cushioned design and stable ride, these shoes excel for slow road runners. Pros: extremely cushioned design, smooth and stable ride, ideal for comfort over long distances. Cons. Less versatile than previous models. Relatively higher price tag. Number 8. Saucony Endorphin Pro 2. Sitting between daily trainers and race day shoes, the Saucony Endorphin Pro 2 offers versatility for various distances, especially for training sessions at a race pace. With a snappy, responsive cushioning and durable design, it's a great option for picking up speed. Pros. Responsive cushioning for speed, durable performance, comfortable, snug fit. Cons. Relatively high price point, not optimized for slower miles. Number 9. Saucony Guide 16. Ideal for runners needing stability due to overpronation, the Saucony Guide 16 offers comfort right out of the box. Lightweight and cushioned with foam technology, these shoes provide a smooth, cushioned run for everyday runners. Pros. Lightweight build, immediate comfort, suitable for overpronators. Cons. Not waterproof. Some users may find the laces tight. Number 10. Salomon Index .01. Emphasizing environmental responsibility, the Salomon Index .01 is not only recyclable but also delivers a comfortable, no-nonsense design suitable for both running and everyday wear. Its firmness and curved sole offer support and propulsion for runners. Pros. Environmentally friendly design, comfortable for various uses, supportive curved sole. Cons. Relatively steep initial price. The upper may show dirt quickly. I hope this format aligns with what you're looking for. If you need any further adjustments or additional information, feel free to let me know. Thanks for watching.